I am completely exhausted. I'm so tired. But tonight's the all-white party. And we're gonna have a fabulous time. We're gonna see it through, all the way through. And I want to say about the Hip Hop Festival is, it was organized fabulous. From the emails to getting here, everything was well organized. I really like that. So I can't wait till next year's Hip Hop Festival or another festival of this size. It was great. Everything was wonderful. Thank you guys very much for doing this for us. Tonight is the all-white party. We've been partying our ass off. Like I said, I suspected that there would be stars walking around here. I said good morning to Kumo D. When we got here, we watched the Washington game with Earthquake, the comedian. And Bruce flew by on his scooter. And then some other comedians is walking by. We don't know who they is because we don't never see them but on stage. Now this is the perfect place for a social media influencer to get all the content she needs. I mean, it's just everywhere. People love the camera. Way more than the iPhone. They love this camera. So I am so happy to be here celebrating with everybody. My husband is watching the rest of the football game. I'm just going to chill here. We're getting ready for the 10 o'clock concert and comedy show. And see how long I can last because I am super duper exhausted. I'm going to give you as much as I can. Love you. Bye.